Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DCTV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at a very special report. The 26th annual Ramadan dinner in Houston was a resounding success, hosted and organized by the esteemed Mohammed Saeed Sheikh, a prominent Pakistani American businessman and community leader. For decades, Mohammed Saeed Sheikh has dedicated himself to serving the Pakistani American community, earning widespread respect and admiration. He is also the president of the Houston Karachi Sister City Association, playing a pivotal role in strengthening ties between the two cities. The event saw a large turnout from the Pakistani communities as attendees gathered to break their fast together and celebrate the spirit of Ramadan. The success of the event was a testament to Mohammed Saeed Sheikh's exceptional leadership, hard work, and unwavering commitment to community service. In his address, Sheikh highlighted the spiritual and moral significance of Ramadan, stating, "This holy month brings us closer to one another and provides an opportunity to work together for the betterment of society." He further emphasized that such events not only reflect our cultural heritage but also foster friendship and love within the Pakistani communities. Mohammed Saeed Sheikh's efforts over the past 26 years have been nothing short of remarkable. These events provide a unique platform for people from diverse communities to come together, observe the Muslim community's religious traditions, and share in the joy of Ramadan. Attendees express their love and affection for one another after breaking their fast, fully embracing the happiness and blessing of the holy month. In his closing remarks, Mohammed Saeed Sheikh thanked all the participants for their presence and support. He expressed hope that such program will continue in the future, ensuring that our culture and traditions remain alive and vibrant. The 26th annual Ramadan dinner was not only a celebration of faith and community, but also a shining example of unity, love, and share and values.
Houston Karachi Sister City Association and coordinator of the Houston Iftar Organizing Committee.
Respected ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all with the greetings of Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem. Our Creator, the most merciful, is indeed the most gracious for blessing us another Ramadan. The responsibility of putting together an event like this is extremely testing. And many of the people of my organizing committee and my guests knows why I said that. I'm honored to most warmly welcome you all to the Houston Iftar 2025, the 26th annual Ramadan dinner with the Mayor of Houston. As you all know, the Houston Iftar used to be Mayor's Iftar initiative, got started by a small group of leaders from Houston Muslim community in front of the City Hall with Honorable Mayor Lee B. Brown in 1999. Houston Iftar aims to promote interfaith harmony, tolerance, cultural diversity, and peace for all, which are the most essential ingredient of these trying times. Today, you are again witnessing another biggest and the largest iftar. Over 2,000 to 2,200 people are here tonight, and the members of the organizing committee are very gracious to welcome them all, along with many dignitaries. At this juncture, we are honored to be formally welcoming the 63rd Mayor of our beloved city, Houston, Honorable John Whitmire. We are not only welcoming Mayor to his second iftar, but also very grateful to him, his presence, inspiration, and extended to the Houstonian, the Muslim community, unconditional support for the Houston Iftar. Also, thanking tonight for the unparalleled support and generosity from one personality who always supported Houston Iftar since last 15 years as the chief patron. The most outstanding business personality who doesn't live here in Houston, he lives in Midland, but he never misses Iftar dinner and never say no to us whatever we need from him. Please welcome CEO of Midland Energy, Mr. Syed Javed Anwar. Tonight, we want to welcome our dear member of the United States Congress, who will be here shortly, Honorable Congressman Al Green, who has always supported our community wholeheartedly. Additionally, we are once again pleased to welcome our dear friend of this community, who is also an outstanding businessman, and he is the CEO of Park Food, Mr. Tanveer Ahmed. We feel so happy in hosting some of our cities or greater Houston area officials here this evening. I would like to welcome them to this event, and please hold your applause till the end. Let's welcome an outstanding personality who is serving also as the mayor of Stafford, Mayor Ken Matthew. Also, we would like to welcome our council member and Mayor Pro Tem, Noshad Ali, City of Sugar Land. Council member Latisha Plummer, at large position for City of Houston. We are expecting City State Representative Suleiman Adani, who might be here shortly. At the same time, we have the honor of having another state representative, Mr. Matthew. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. State representative. We do also have another member of City Council of City of Stafford, Council member Xavier Herrera. Sister cities of Houston always played a very vital role in coordinating this iftar through Abu Dhabi, Baku, Basra, Istanbul, and Karachi. Here I would like to welcome the new president of the Sister Cities of Houston, Mr. James Post. The city of Houston has a diverse council board which represents numerous countries around the world. And we have very close to 100 members of the council board in Houston. Please recognize, I want to recognize them, their presence in the alphabetical order of the country which they are representing. Angola, Bahamas, Bangladesh, Dominican Republic, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Estonia, Guyana, Indonesia, Iraq, Kuwait, Mexico, Namibia, my motherland Pakistan, State of Qatar, and United Arab Emirates. Including this gesture, we have Spain and Turkey consulate representation in the form of the consulate or member of the council board. An event of this magnitude would not have been possible without the support of our generous sponsors, and we want to thank them all. You can find their names, their entities, which we are going to focus again, feature again on these big screens, and also on the back of the program. Here, I would like to thank the support of our media partners. Without them, this event cannot be broadcasted around the world. Today, through Dish Network, once again, we have a live transmission going throughout North America, USA and Canada, and also throughout the world through several social media streaming. Again, my special thanks for all of these media outlets who belong from different entities, and just to honor them, we have their names listed on the program, and you will see their logos on these big screens. As you all know, the organizing committee is committed to organize the iftar the best we can. I am grateful to all the members of the organizing committee, each and every collaborating organization who has worked really very hard. And I would like to commend the untiring efforts of their delegation, including the Mayor's Office of Trade and International Affairs. The whole staff has attended our meetings as the volunteer under the leadership of GGD. I would also like to thank especially our main collaborating partners. The Islamic Society of Greater Houston, under the leadership of Imran Ghazi, has played a very vital role in uniting the community. And once again, you have seen that so quickly we have filled the whole ballroom, and definitely we will continue to work under his shadow to grow this iftar more and more and keep the platform of this iftar as a united platform. I would also like to thank Ismaili Council, Gora Jamaat, and many other associations, Arab community, Bangladesh, Pakistan, so many community members are there. If I'm missing someone, I apologize. African community, they are all always give their best to organize this iftar. With that, I want to conclude, and I want to assure you that this is the very honest effort of the organizing committee and several community organizations without any political or any other stuff. So my request to you all to please notice one thing, remember, this is, I feel, and my committee feel, this is the biggest achievement of Muslim community in the whole United States, where we are organizing the largest iftar in the whole country, including Canada as well. Please try to promote, not to come to a point where we will not even have this. This is the success of the Muslim community, and let's continue with that. May God bless you all, the United States, and our great city of Houston under the dynamic leadership of Mayor John Whitmire. Thank you all.
So thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. This is me, Tabanda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. DCTV USA, DTVN, and our OTT platform DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.